How to track StockX order. Welcome back to another episode. So if you want to track or tracking a StockX order and understanding the authentication, now called verification process, is a very straightforward. What you need is here's how you could do it. Log into your StockX account onto your device. There you just want to go to your account sections or the icon over here. Here you just want to make sure to go ahead and select buying. When you go to the buying section, you can see all the pending and history orders, right? You could then go ahead and select or tap onto a specific order to see its current status, like seller shipped, arrived for authentication, or shipped to you, something like that. And this way, you're supposed to track StockX order, and this way you're supposed to do it. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And for some issue or for some reason, if you're having such issues, then you could simply go and contact support as well, or you could just refresh your app as well. So that's all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.